Welcome everyone. We are discussing integration of trigonometric function. Now, integration of trigonometric function, part 2. Rule: integration p sin x plus q cos x plus r by a sin x plus b cos x plus c. This is general form. So, what is your rule? Numerator, express numerator as lambda into denominator plus mu into ddx of denominator plus nu. Numerator equals to lambda into denominator mu into ddx of denominator plus nu, where lambda mu nu to be determined by comparing coefficient of sin x, cos x and constant term. So, this is our rule. So, let us take a practical problem. So, take a practical problem: 3 plus 2 cos x plus 4 sin x by 2 sin x plus cos x plus 3. So, rule. What is your rule? Numerator equals to, what is numerator? Let 3 plus 2 cos x plus 4 sin x. So, capital A into denominator 2 sin x plus cos x plus 3. Capital B into ddx of denominator 2 sin x plus cos x plus 3 plus capital C. So, this equals to A into 2 sin x plus cos x plus 3 plus B into 2 cos x minus sin x plus C. Now, we have to find A, B, C by comparing coefficient of sin x, cos x and constant term. So, constant term. So, 3 equals to, in left hand side constant is 3, in right hand side it is 3a plus c. So, this is 1. 3 equals to constant term 3a plus c. So, this is constant term. Then equating coefficient of cos x, equating coefficient of cos x. So, 2 equals to coefficient of cos x 2, here it is a into cos x, and here it is 2b, a plus 2b. Now, equating coefficient of sin x, 4 equals to 2a minus b. So, this is 3. 2a minus b. So, solving 3 equation, we have to find a, b, c. So, if we multiply it by 2, so 4 equals to 2a plus 4b. 4 equals to 2a plus 4b. So, 4 equals to 2a minus b. So, cancel. 5b equals to 0. So, b equals to 0. b equals to 0. 2a cancel out, 5b equals to 0. So, b equals to 0. So, what is a? A equals to 2. A equals to 2. Now, if A equals to 2, so 1 implies 3 equals to 6 plus C. So, what is C? C equals to minus 3. So, we are getting A, B, C. So, what we are getting? Therefore, 2 plus 3 cos x plus 4 sin x equals to A. What is A? 2 into, and it is 0 into, so this part is cancelled, and c equals to minus, and c equals to, so 2 into, so this one is 0 into, so this part is cancelled out, and this is c is minus 3. So now look, 4 sin x plus 2 cos x, 6 minus 3 is 3. So numerator, you are getting the numerator. So our main aim is to find a, b, c. Now come to the problem. So denominator unchanged, 2 sin x plus cos x plus 3, and what is numerator? A into, so 2 into 2 sin x plus cos x plus 3 minus 3. So by using theory, we can able to express numerator in terms of denominator. So now this one is this cancel, 2 dx minus 3 into dx by 2 sin x plus cos x plus 3. Now it is 2x, this is 3, and we know the rule. What is our rule? 2 into 2 tan x by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2, 1 minus tan square x by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 3. So we have already solved this type of problem in previous method. So 2x minus 3 into, so sec square x by 2 LCM, 1 plus tan square, so it will be at the numerator. So 4 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 plus 3 tan square x by 2. Now what is our rule? Rule is you have to express, you have to put tan x by 2 equals to z. So sec square x by 2 dx equals to 2 dz. It is half, so it is at the right hand side. So plus integration constant, that is c1. So 2x minus 3, 2 dz by, look, 3 and this is minus, so this is 2z square, 2z square plus 4 tan z, 4 tan z, 3 plus 1, this is 4 plus c1. Now 2x minus 3 unchanged, dz by z square plus 2z plus 2 plus c1. Now it is sum of 2 square. So look, this is 2x, 3 into dz by z plus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus c1. So 2x minus 3, a is 1, so tan inverse z plus 1 plus c. c1 plus c2 equals to c. So 2x minus 3 tan inverse, what is z? Tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this will be the answer. So now this method, it is not included in your CBSE syllabus or WB board, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. It is not included, it is excluded. But using your, you can solve simple problem without using this formula by inspection. So let us consider some problems. So this one is general. Now write dx by sin x dx by sin x plus cos x. Number 2, cos x dx by cos x plus sin x. Number 3, sin x by sin x minus cos x. Number 4, cos x by sin x minus cos x. Number 5, dx by 1 plus cot x. Number 6, dx by 1 plus tan x. Number 7, dx by 1 minus cot x. Number 8, dx by 1 minus tan x. Now look, 1 to 8, they are of previous formula. Numerator is in terms of sine or cos and denominator is in terms of sine and cos. So you can solve this problem by inspection method without using the above method. The above method is general one. Now look, if we consider problem number 1, so sin x, so we can write it as sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x. And cos x cancel. So this is half dx. Actually sin x plus cos x. So half into 1 and this is sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. Actually a equals to here, a equals to 1, b into d dx of this. So b equals to 1 and c equals to 0. Now if we put denominator as z, so this is cos x minus sin x into dx equals to dz. So this is half of dx, half of minus dz by z. So half x minus half log z plus c. So half x, half log, what is x? Sin x plus cos x plus c. So these are most important problem for board also. You can solve this problem by finding ABC by inspection method. Now listen, problem number 2. So exactly same problem. You look cos x. So you can write cos x plus sin x, cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. So at the beginning half, because sin cancel, 2 cos x by 2. Now make it 2 part. So this is 1. So cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x. Now if we put this as z, derivative of sin x is cos x minus sin x. So this is f dash x by fx, that is log fx. You can write it directly log fx also. So log mod sin x plus cos x plus. So what is A? A is 1, B is 1, C is 0. Actually there is no constant. Here it is sin x plus cos x only. So rule is A into denominator plus B into ddx of denominator. Now 3 and 4 exactly same. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So look 7 integration dx by 1 plus cot x. So if you write it in terms of sine and cos, so this is sine x dx by sine x plus cos x. So look, this is of case number 1. So I have already solved this one. So only two problems, 1 and 2 are sufficient. So if you consider 1 plus tan x, it will be problem number 2. If you consider 1 minus cot x, so this is sin x by sin x minus cos x. So only problem number 1 and 2 are needed. So these problems, basically these problems are most important for board. So they are of this form: sin x a sin x plus b cos x. So p sin x plus q cos x. There is no constant here. That is why general rule is a sin x plus b cos x equals to a into denominator plus b into d dx of u. No c. Here no constant, so no need of c. So comparing sin x and cos x, you can find a and b. For this problem, we can find a and b by inspection method. So you solve the rest of the problems. So today through this video, you have learned how to solve integration of the type a sin x plus b cos x plus c p sin x plus u cos x plus I. So thank you for today.